Hello friends, today we are going to learn the next part of Narayanpur incident, which is written by Shashi Deshpande. Already we know that Mr. Patil, sub-inspector, friend of a teacher, he came to the teacher's house, and now here he wanted to inform about that the secret thing, and such a secret thing was going on in a British police or among a British police. Such a the discussion was happen in a British department, and now here he wanted to give such the information to our Amma, and now here he came, Mr. Patil came Amma's house, and he gave such a information. Such a the discussion was going on between Patil and Amma, and now here he said that Patil sub-inspector said to Amma, there is going to be search in your house. When the Patil said like that, now she was afraid. Amma was afraid. Amma was totally frightened, because secret thing was, or mysterious thing was, or parcel was, that is a cyclo-styling machine in her home. And in those days, to keep a cyclo-styling machine was illegal. To keep cyclo-styling machine in their home or in her home was illegal in those days. And so that's why British police got such information about that secret machine, about that cyclo-styling machine in her home. And now here definitely they would come and search in her home. Such a information was given by Patil, sub-inspector, to Amma. And now here, when Patil said like that, there is going to be a search in her house. What was the reply of Amma? When they will come. When they will come. It's such the questions now here she put. And now here, what is the reply? Reply of a Patil. We see the next paragraph number 15. Most probably tonight, I heard the side talking. They were speaking of cyclo-styling machine. It seems you people are making copies of Mahatma Gandhi's speech. They say you have people hiding here as well. It is a reply of Patil, sub-inspector. Definitely they would come tonight. Tonight they will come. Definitely the British police will come tonight to search cyclo-styling machine in her home. Such a information was given by Patil to Amma. Most probably, shakyata hai, probably tonight. I heard, Patil said like that. I means the word I is a refer to whom? Patil, that is the Patil. Patil. I heard the Sahib talking. His Sahib was talking about about the things. And now here he said that I heard the Sahib talking. They were speaking of cyclo-styling machine. They were speaking, the Sahib or British officer were speaking about that the cyclo-styling machine. It seems you people are making copies of a Mahatma Gandhi's speech, and here with the help of this cyclo-styling machine they made speech of that is a Mahatma Gandhi's copies of Mahatma Gandhi's speech. And now here they say you have people hiding here as well, and now here they knew that such a cyclostyling machine was hiding in your home, in her home. Such a information was given by Patil to that Amma. What is the reply of that next characters? And now here you see, Mohan scoff, but you have the cyclostyling machine? No. Mohan repeated angrily, you are wasting your time spying on us. Tell me. The man ignored Mohan and spoke to Amma. Yes, Amma replied simply, and Mohan made an angry hissing sound. Where is it? Amma, you have gone. Inside. Amma replied, inside. Where is the machine? Machine is inside. She said that. Manju's heart began beating her wildly. Why was Amma giving them away? Give it to me. I will get it out of the way. You can have it when it's a safe. Mohan burst out again. Amma, what are you doing? How can you trust a policeman? And now here, when the Patil said that the machine was hiding in your house, the reply of that is a Mohan is a very important. Now means he was also frightened. He was also surprised. How they knew that? How they knew that such a cyclostyling machine was in his home? How they knew that? How the British officers knew that? And so that's why he was also frightened. Scoff. Scoff means that is a speak. That is a dachakne. Dachkun bolne, like that. Dachak to. Surprise. Or we said that totally frightened. He was also frightened, feared, afraid. Mohan scoff, but you have a cyclostyling machine. But you have cyclostyling machine. He said that. Patil said to that Mohan, you have cyclostyling machine. What is the reply of Mohan? You see, no. We have no any cyclostyling machine. No. He said that. Mohan repeated angrily. He was now angered. Mohan was angered. You are wasting time spying on us. Spying means that is a doubt. And you are wasting a time. You are wasting a time spying on us. तुम्ही आमचा वेळ वाया घालवतात, आमच्यावरती शंका निर्माण करतात की आमच्या घरी काय सायक्लोस्टायलिंग मशीन आहे, असं म्हणून तुम्ही आमचा वेळ काय करताय, वाया घालवतात. He said that. You are wasting a time spying on us. Tell me. The man ignored the Mohan. Man ignored the Mohan and spoke to Amma. And the man, means that is a Patil, sub-inspector, ignored to that the Mohan, and she turned to that our Amma. Why? Because she was a most senior, and so that's why he turned to that our Amma, and he spoke. Yes. What was the reply of Amma? You see, you try to understand. Yes, we have a cyclostyling machine. Okay, no problem, no doubt. We have a cyclostyling machine. She said that, Amma said that. But what was the reply of Mohan? Mohan said that, no, we have no any cyclostyling machine. We'll get the contrast between two characters, Mohan and Amma. Contrast, विरोधाभास, आपल्याला विरोधाभास दिसत आहे. Amma सांगते आमच्याकडे मशीन आहे, मोहन सांगतो आमच्याकडे मशीन नाही. Yes, we try to understand. She said that, yes, we have a cyclostyling machine. Amma replied simply, and Mohan made angry hissing sound. And now here when she said that, yes, when she agreed about the statement, yes, now here he was totally angered. He was angry with the hissing sound. Where is it? Who said this? Mohan said this. Where is it? Amma, you are gone. Amma, you are gone. Amma, you are mad. You are mad, like that. Amma, you have gone. He said that. Mohan said to that the Amma. When here Mohan said, where it is? Where is it? Where is it? It means cyclostyling machine. Where is the cyclostyling machine? What was the reply of Amma? Inside. Cyclostyling machine was inside. No doubt, she said that. Amma said to Mohan. Manju's hurt began. Manju was there. Beside Amma, Manju was there. And now here, what was the condition of the Manju? Manju's heart began. Manju's heart began beating wildly. Why was Amma giving them away? Give it to me. I will get it out of the way. You can have it when it's safe. Give it to me. Who said this? Patil said this. Give it to me. Give it. It means cyclostyling machine to me. Me means Patil. Give it to me. I will get it out of the way. You can have when it is safe. Okay. Give it to me. Give it. That is cyclostyling machine. I will protect to you. Definitely I will protect to you. He said that. Patil said that. Mohan burst out again. Mohan burst out again. Amma, what are you doing? Amma, what are you doing? How can you trust a policeman? How can you trust to that the policeman? आणि तू यस पोलीसवरती कसा काय विश्वास ठेवू शकतेस? अशा पद्धतीचा प्रश्न या मोहन या आम्हाला केलेला आहे. And now here there is a conversation between that is Amma and the Mohan also. Now we see the next paragraph. The man touched Mohan on the shoulder. Mohan, you are still very young. You are still very young. There are many things you don't know, you don't understand. I am policeman. Yes, but your father was and still is my friend, and this is my country as much as it's yours. Now give it to me quickly. Now give it to me quickly. They may come any moment. Amma opened the door of the puja room and said, Suma. Suman emerged, wiping her face with a sari, looking anxiously at them. Come in. Amma beckoned to the man. It's here. It's here. Suman stared at Amma and the man in a bewilderment. Amma smiled at her and said, you have got to get away. Suman, take away all the materials. Mohan, will you? Then the man, who was a man? Patil, sub-inspector, touched Mohan on his shoulder, touched the Mohan's shoulder. Mohan, he said that, after that he said, Patil said to that the Mohan, Mohan, you are still young. You don't know. You are not matured. You don't know what is right, what is wrong. You don't know. He said that. Patil said that. Mohan, you are still very young. There are many things you don't understand. There are many things you don't understand. You have no more experience. You have no more experience. I am policeman. I am policeman. Yes, I am policeman. But your father was and still is my friend. Was and is my friend. पूर्वी होता, आता ही माझा तो मित्र आहे. तुझे वडील माझा मित्र आहेत. He said that. And this is my country as much as it's yours. तुझा जो देश आहे तो माझा देश आहे. He said that. This is my country as much as it's yours. Now you give it me. Give it to me quickly. It means cyclostyling machine. आणि तू पटकन काय कर? Cyclostyling machine तू मला परत कर, return कर. Yes. And now here he said that. He said that. Now here give it to me quickly. They may come any moment. Definitely they will come. Police officer. They will come in at any moment. Amma opened the door of the puja room. Amma opened the door of the puja room and said, Suma. Suman emerged, wiping her face with a sari. आणि ती साडीचा पदर, साडी म्हणतो पण साडी मीन्स साडीचा पदर घेऊन आपला फेस पुसत पुसत त्या पूजा रूममधून बाहेर आलेले आहे. शी सेड, Amma said to that that is Suma. She called that is Suman. And now here Suman emerged, wiping her face with a sari, looking anxiously at them. Come in. Amma beckoned to the man. Amma beckoned to the man, and she said, Amma said to that our Patil to come in. Come in means come in puja room. And you see, this is the cyclo-styling machine. Come in. Amma beckoned to the man. It's here. Ita hai, machine ita hai. Ya, baga. Suman stared means looked. Pahani, tak laun pahani. Suman stared at Amma and the man in a bewilderment. Amma smiled at her. Amma smiled at her expression. What was the expression of Amma? When the Suman looked at the man and the Amma. Now that is Amma smiled at her. At her means Suman. And said, you have got to get away. Suman, take away all the material. Yes, Mohan, will you take away all the materials? That is the cyclo-styling machine. Now we see the next paragraph. Mohan stared at Amma, at Suman, and finally at Patil, who stared steadily back at Mohan. And suddenly the two smiled at each other. Okay, Amma, Mohan said, and ducked into the puja room. He lugged the machine out and gave it to Patil. Do you have a largest bag with you? The man asked. Manju, Amma began, but Babu had already got it. That's fine. The man said. They were gone. Patil and Mohan and Suman. The house seemed unbelievably quiet after the earlier intense activity. Let's go back to bed, Amma suggested. Mohan came back shortly. Suman, Manju asked him anxiously. She's all right. She's all right. Mohan stared at Amma, at Suman, and finally at Patil, who stared steadily back at Mohan. Suddenly the two smiled at each other. Mohan, between the Mohan and there is a Patil, smiled. They smiled to each other. Two smiled at each other. Okay, Amma, Mohan said that. At last Mohan said that, okay, Amma, okay, no problem. And ducked into the puja. Duck means jumped. D-U-C-K-E-D. Ducked means that is a jumped. Jumped into the puja room, and he lug means to pull or to drag roughly. Odat anne. Duck means that is a lugged means that is a odat anne. Yes. Mohan lugged the machine out and he gave it to Patil. And ती machine तो त्याला देतो आहे. Do you have a largest bag with you? The man asked. To carry such a cyclo-styling machine, and he needed. Who? Patil needed or wanted a largest bag to carry cyclo-styling machine. Do you have the largest bag with you? The man asked. Manju, Amma began. But Babu had already got it. Means already she said to that Manju to search or to see the largest bag. But already Babu had such a largest bag. That's fine. And now here he said that he was very happy. Why? Because he got the largest bag by that is a Babu. He provided. Babu had given the largest bag to the Patil, and so that's why he was very happy. And now here, that's fine, that's good. Yes, that's good, that's fine, no problem. Then they were gone. They were gone, Patil, Mohan and the Suman. Patil, Mohan and the Suman. At last, such the cyclo-styling machine gave to Mr. Patil, sub-inspector, as a part of a protection. So that's why. The house seems unbelievably quiet after the earlier intense activity, and now here the house became unbelievably quiet. Pin drop silence. Everywhere there was a pin drop silence in their house, and now here everywhere there was a silence. Let's go back to bed. Amma suggested, let's go back to bed. And now here it was time to sleep. And so that's why let's go back to bed, Amma suggested. Mohan came back shortly. And then the Suman, yes, Manju asked him anxiously and says, all right. Says, all right. Go to bed, Manju. Go to bed, Manju. Amma said, bed with the police about to come. But nevertheless, she did drop up at some time and came out of her sleep with a jerk to hear a loud knock at the door. It was repeated. Manju sat up in a sudden fright. Amma patted her comfortingly. Who is it? She asked loudly. Open the door. A strange voice ordered. Mohan, see who it is. Amma said. It was like going through something all over again, but this time they knew for sure it wasn't a friend standing out of there. No need for Mohan to announce, Amma, it's police. Amma, it's a police. And now here the Amma ordered or suggested to all members in her family, yes, let's go or to sleep. Now it was time to sleep, and so that's why let's go to sleep. And then the year again for the Manju also, she said that go to bed, Manju. Amma said, bed with the police about the come. And but nevertheless she did the drop of the sometime and come out to her sleep with a jerk to hear a loud knock at the door. And suddenly what happened? Knocking was there. And someone came. Suddenly it was a time to sleep, and they were ready to sleep, and suddenly what happened? The knocking was there. Knocking was there here. It was repeated. Knocking was repeated again and again. It was repeated. Manju sat up in a sudden fright, and now here Manju sat up in a sudden fright. She was also frightened. Manju was also the frightened. She was a child, just little, and so that's why she was younger than the other family member. And now here she frightened. She was totally frightened. She sat up in a sudden fright. Amma patted her comfortingly, and now here she wanted to give the support. Amma wanted to give a support to that is Manju, and so Amma patted at her back comfortingly. Who is it? She asked loudly. Who asked loudly? Amma asked loudly, who is it? Who is knocking there? She said, Amma said that, who is knocking there? Who is it? Who is it? She asked loudly. Open the door. The reply of that person outside the room, that is a room or in front of the door. Yes, open the door. A strange voice ordered. Open the door. He ordered. The strange voice was there. Stranger was there, and so that's why he ordered open the door. Mohan, see who it is. And then the Amma ordered to the Mohan, yes, go and see who it is. Who it is. Amma said, it was like going through the something all over again, but this time they knew sure it wasn't a friend standing out there, but now it was a sure. It was the sure. Yes, there wasn't a friend. Means there wasn't a Mr. Patil, sub-inspector. But instead of that, the person, another member, another person was there, another stranger was there, and so here there was now here in front of that door, Mr. Patil was not there. Mr. Patil was not there. He wasn't a friend standing out there. No need for Mohan to announce. No need for Mohan to announce. Amma, it's the police. And now he Mohan saw who was knocking the door, and now here he confirmed himself. Yes, he was not there. Miss Patil was not there. But who was knocking there? Police came, and police knocking there. Police was knocking at the door of at the door of that is the house, door of the house. And now here the police came, definitely police came, and so here it was a end of this story's name is that Narayanpur incident. We'll see afterwards. Okay, thank you very much.